Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to automatically copy trade wallets in Solana. So if you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So I am just heading over to my Telegram and I just need to speak with this bot right here. So the username of this bot is Solana Trading Bot. So just head over and click on the start conversation. Then after that, it will start. So what you can do is you can actually just head over and then click on this wallets right here. Once you have done that, what you can do is you can click on this generate new wallet, and in here you should be able to see your wallet info. For me, I'll just copy that, and once I have copied that, just head over and then scroll up until you can see the main menu again. Now click on this copy trades. Now click on it. As you can see, there will be a new option. So just choose a wallet that you want to copy trade with. For me, I'll just choose the second one. And then as you can see, this is what it looks like. Click on this add wallet right here. And in here, you just need to enter the copy trade wallet name. So for example, let's name it baby and then just send it. And in here, you just need to just put in here what you want to copy trade from. So you can search for various copy traders or traders that you want to copy with. So just enter their name right here and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!